country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija shine your eye housemate wey dey call Whitemoney. Im don come out come reveal to say im dey stranded for America, who's staying for America, and also Phyna don come out come drum support for Very Dark Man and her fans, and Angel Smith. They don't come out to come react to that her statement. So Whitemoney im go for a music tour, abi na jollof rice tour, one of the two, or na the two na e go for America. That im new song wey be say e release of recent wey be Queen. So im dey try to promote am for different states for that side. So according to him, he say he's supposed to don comot for there today or 2 days ago, but because they tell am say hurricane will come, na make the no go fit comot, the weather no good and all of that. So he can come out to come dey explain to say if you get anybody wey be say go fit help am because he dey stranded right now, make the person help am with private jet. More na listen to wetin he talk for herself.
I am making this life now to seek for help. If you know any Baba, Dibia, Alpha, or native doctor that resides in Houston, Texas, that can do juju, that can make me disappear from here. Makahasi na hurricane na to down hurricane. They don't cancel my flight 2 times. I'm supposed to be in another state. I'm supposed to be in another state now, preparing. Manahasi hurricane. Mr. Reason. The sun would have been good because now they said that hurricane is too much here. Hurricane is coming. And these people weather, there's something about America. If America tell you say rain go fall, their own weather forecast na pump. You understand? You know, be like our own for Lagos, they go say it's gonna be a rainy day. Now that day thunder go this, that day I say sun go they shine. Then the day when they say sun go shine, flood go for Ricky. Flood will for Ricky. So I'm calling on every of my supporter, if you're in Houston, because I'm currently in Houston now, and I'm supposed to be in DMV today. Flight got cancelled, and then we now say okay, we'll do DMV tomorrow. Flight got cancelled again. One if you have a Baba that has a valid juju that I can do like this, pew, and disappear, I will pay. I need to go. I no sing again. I no cook again. I no do. I won't go now. Let me come and follow people and suffer the flood small. Maga, all these things what we they watch for television. Hurricane. Because I don't want to be an eyewitness. I don't want to be an eyewitness to any hurricane. I no one witness them. I love the way I see it in Al Jazeera, in CNN, in all those places. Man, I no one use my eye to see hurricane. No. Now they say hurricane is coming to Houston. Is turn down. Because if you know any valid Baba, Mr. Tourism, I want to come back to Atlanta because there is no hurricane in Atlanta. And I'm in a very good, I'm in a mansion.
This one is the first time where Whitemoney they go America actually, and he reach there hurricane. In the fear whether hurricane won't carry and go or something. My brother, no fear. Now hustle you go hustle. None of us go buy where we dey hustle for our daily bread. No be our portion. Like play, Whitemoney don't come up for this country. We dey dey laugh and say no sabi sing. He not really listen to our laughter. He just continue to dey push himself. As much as me myself, I feel say in music, the thing they sound somehow for my ear. I like the fact say not listening to our trolling, and him push his career go far. Root from afar. So onto Phyna matter with very dark man. So we all know Phyna like very dark man very well, and she can't come out openly to come talk. And for those of us who say they follow the very dark man trend for some days now, in actually they get quarry with popular Nollywood actresses Iyabo Ojo and Tonto Dike. As a matter of fact, I think the guy in they get a lot of problem with women most especially, but this period didn't come extend the courtesy to some guys. Phyna come out to come talk her own opinion about the matter, the gbasgbos wey very dark man dey give all these big people for the industry. She come out to come say, I will agree publicly that very dark man is a necessity. Get why? Happy Sunday. And so Angel wey be Soma girlfriend come out come hiss. Phyna come respond with a cute emoji. So one of Phyna fan come answer and come say, no matter the why, my dear, remember you insulted one of your idols, Iyabo Ojo, and your idol might misunderstand this message. I wish you stay neutral, not even replying any podcast to create misconception. So Phyna can reply the person can say, yes, I love her. What is between them is not my business. You will be shocked if I tell you I don't even know their issue because I never paid attention to it. Nor be una go tell me who I go like. Everybody get e own why. And so another of Phyna fan come tell her to say, sorry Fifi, you are on your own on this one. Thank you. Another of Phyna fan come say, what is a VDM? Name of animal, place or thing. The last Phyna fan come to say, I hope you have not carried your matter to him. Oh. Allow us have a long week of peace in this our fan base. Mbok, God abeg. Phyna never really disturb anybody for internet for like it's going to 2 weeks now. We never hear any cry, we never hear any disturbance. So our fans now they happy to say, at least as we don't get peace, so don't go find trouble so that another wahala go come for them again. A lot of people dislike very dark man because of the way they behave. The truth be say, very dark man they actually try for certain things like resolving issues where we say gas to do with people where we say no fit talk at. I don't just for this our society. If you no get money, you no go get a voice. But if you get money, you go get a voice. So he just be like a solicitor for people where be say no get money and people where be say they no fit talk about people where be say oppress them. On the other hand, the guy in dey constitute nuisance for the community because sometimes the things wey be say they do is just out of it. Like for instance, that time when you go Davido wedding, you go there finish, you come and dey talk say this person no spray money, this person no do this person. All those things not be something wey you supposed to do as an activist where you claim to be. Sometimes the guy's actions dey necessary for the community, other times the thing dey unnecessary to me. And before I forget, Big Brother Naija Season 9 in the show, they also they come out, they start this 28th of this month. So make everybody tighten their seat. But I think it's 19 days from now, be 20 days from now. Everybody they guided. Una take care, una bye.